Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. Welcome to our channel, YouTube channel. So we have a property, a beach lot property located in Barangay Punta Cruz, Maribojoc, Bohol. So it's a southern part of Bohol province. So this is a downhill beach. Then when you reach to the bottom, it's already the beach line or the location. So actually it is along National Highway, guys. So this is along National Highway. There are already structures, which is there is a kitchen and the office. Then aside from that, there are also cottages. So the cottages have separate price if you are going to uh, check in the area. So ito guys, nag-income na talaga, income generating nito, may mga umbrella table at saka may cottages. So diyan ang mga tao, no, parang mag-ano diyan. Maliligo sila, diyan sila mag-start o dito kasi ito ang beach property. Actually, the perimeter fence is the size of 700 square meters is part of 700 square meters. Paglagpas mo ng perimeter fence, it's already the shoreline. So i-open mo na sa in charge yung yes, para makalabas tayo. So actually guys, this is under tax declaration, di pa siya titulado. So ang maganda dito sa Bohol guys, pag hindi titulado yung property natin, so pwede natin mapetitle directly to the DENR. So hindi na tayo dumaan sa BIR. Yun kadalasan yan. Ano na yan, parang ganyan na talaga ang proseso sa papilis. So ito is excess na, no? Malaki na ang yung bakuran. So meaning from the highway, the tip of the highway is the start of the property downhill, where also the perimeter line of the property. Now when we go out to the perimeter line, this is the situation. Para ka ring nakabili na malaking bakuran or malaking property, because all are in the area. Kung anong nakita mo dyan is part of the shoreline. So meaning libre na yan. So wala na yung kahit anong gawin mo dito, libre na. At least meron kang private property na pwede ka doon or stay doon. So yun po, it's along the highway lang guys, kasi yung nasa itaas yung kalsada at sa yung beach ang nasa baba. Yun ang nangyayari natin dito sa property, no. The price is 4 million pesos. So kung mag-negotiate man tayo, siguro pag after viewing na. So again, located in Barangay Punta Cruz. Yung tinuturo ko, yun po ang kalsada, nakita natin kuryente. So Barangay Punta Cruz, Maribojoc, Bohol. Just around 10 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City or 20 minutes drive from Panglao International Airport lang po yan. So maganda to guys, kasi malaki ang iyong surroundings, malaki ang bakuran. So maganda. So kahit tax declaration, okay yan, kasi may-ari naman talaga dyan. Okay? Nag-buy na ako. Bye!